for the square nails. So it doesn't matter how much you want to cut it. Like say the clients are, oh, you have a regular tips, and you cut it to make the nails as the coffin. Absolutely you can, right? Sorry, it's better if I put it on the nails. You cut it, but you still see the structure of the nail. Is even the coffin, it looks like a ballerina, but it's still like really bulky on the side. It's not give you a precise look. This one is really nice. You can do stiletto nails, and you can also do a coffin buying. Just trim just right, whatever you want. Turn it to the coffin, and both of the sides, it doesn't look so curved and it's so straight, which is like exactly the same when you are doing a form for the nails. And I love it, even though it's, be honest, I'm not gonna lie to you, it's cost me extra for buying the tips, but hey, guess what? It helped me get my time back. So it means that I can get the setting a little bit it faster, especially in the salon. It get faster and it give you a perfect and the same amount of quality work, so I can spend my time on crystal placements. So then, of course, that's why you call a custom nail. That's how you charge the clients extra for the custom nails with the shape and the length, right? And then I will save my time from spending a lot of time on trying to shape this one and using my crystal placement or any designs or however you would like, or take 5 minutes break or 10 minutes break, right? So that's it, just for that's my personal preference. But then I would like to share why is sometimes you see on Instagram, social media, a lot of them are getting nails really freaking shape, like straight and precise. And why is mine, it still looks like bulky. Doesn't matter how hard you work, and you probably spend half an hour or 15 minutes to try to shape the nail straight. It's not something that you did. It's just like our traditional classic tips that only designed for the square shape. It's not designed for coffin or stiletto or almond shape like this. So you have to experience it yourself in order for you to see exactly what I'm saying. Because when we put it on, I'm like swear with you, it saves you so much time and you'll be so much satisfied. So all right, so let's move on to the nails.